So in this recording, we are going to go over how to use the generic notes format for when you're viewing video lessons. So the first thing you always want to do is put your name at the top of it so that when your teacher finds notes floating around the room, she or he knows who to return them to. Then to help us keep organized, we want to put our unit number and our lesson number. We're in unit 0. We're at the start of the year. We haven't actually started our physics yet. And this is lesson number 2. This is a notes page that we're going to keep in our binder. So then the next thing you want to do is put the video title, How to Use Notes Guide. Not sure what the title is. It is the title on Edpuzzle. It's the title on your playlist. It's the title of the video file. So then all of our videos will start with a goal. This goal will be written as you will be able to, but you are the learner. And so it's rewritten in your notes as I will be able to. So for this, at the end of this video, hopefully you will be able to use our video notes guide. You always want to copy that over. It's going to focus you in. So you'll notice that our video notes page is set up with a bunch of different boxes. Let's talk about what will go in each box. In our notes, this is primarily where you're going to be doing your writing. So this is where key ideas, facts, definitions, laws, like the laws and theories of science, how to, step by step. It is going to be mostly text. Over here is where you're going to do any examples and diagrams and drawings. So let's write a physics fact to help us out with this. So speed is our distance per unit time. And this is a vector. No, it's not. This is a scalar, which just means size. And then our video goes on to tell us that the symbol is a V and its units are meters per second. We could write it up here, but I like to keep all of our symbols with units right in this nice little T-chart we have going on down here. So we have speed. Its symbol is a V and its unit is meters per second. And then we go on to get the information that the equation for average speed is d over t. And our teacher tells us that, and I tell you, it's on page 6 of our reference table. So then when we are filling in our notes, we go over that in here, this is distance divided by time. So I should probably put distance, which is d measured in meters, and time, which is t measured in seconds. And so we have all that information. Instead of being in a bunch of different text, it's just right here for us to quick look at the bottom of our page. And we would want to put speed in our vocabulary list. And then in our notes, our teacher has this cool little drawing of a speedometer. So this is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, with the arrow just pointing. So 10 miles per hour. So when you're looking at your car, that's what your speed is. But then our teacher goes on to tell us velocity is displacement per unit time. And it is a vector. So this is size and direction. And here we have a picture to help us remember of, so here's some roads. Okay, crazy. And we've got the symbol. We're going 10 miles per hour north. So we want to add in those pictures in the examples diagram. Make sure you're adding your vocabulary. And then you want to, so we've got velocity and anything that you need to remember here, maybe magnitude. Your teacher mentioned magnitude. Helps when I spell it right. Teachers mentioned it, but you didn't know what magnitude was. So that's what you're going to put here. What is magnitude? And that's what you're going to ask in class. So hopefully now you understand how to use our notes page.